coach. Put them shades on. Serve. Open your legs and serve. Let's get it. Everywhere. Yeah, come on, Ace. We got some special type of sauce, like a resort. Big cheese, big cheese. Top Dollar Kennels Flint. Here we are at Universal Studios. This is my daughter's 4th birthday. I originally came here to handle some business. I ended up sponsoring the football team in Tampa, Florida. They went 1-1 yesterday. Today, we are creating new memories. Whenever she get older, she gonna be able to remember these type of things just like I did whenever my mom took me and my older sister and my older brother on a trip. You know what I'm saying? Some things just never change. You know, Top Dollar Kennels 2023, we gonna set the bargain. We gonna go to a whole new level. You know what I'm saying? Whenever you take care of your kids, your energy good. So I want to be able to show my daughter that I love her and genuinely support her for more years to come. We just getting started. It's still early. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment on my YouTube. I got a lot of content dropping back to back to back. If it ain't shot by seen by light, you know what I'm saying? It ain't right, man. Tap in. Top Dollar Kennels Flint.
That way.
Ooh.
Show your ticket. There we go. Turn around. Say, hey, hey, hey. Hey, which one is it?
Love is all gone in this book. We in here, man. I'm gonna turn my baby into $1 million, man. It's her 4th birthday. I'm super proud of her. I'm super proud of the accomplishments that she had. Everything, man. You gotta look cute, cause she gonna draw you. She gonna draw you up now. We about to get over there. We on Candyland.
This is in my birthday, and we in Florida. G and Tinsley and my daddy. I turned 4. We just got done with Universal in Florida. Thank you. Back to the hotel. I had so much fun. Top Dollar Kennels Flint.
There you have it, Top Dollar Kennels Flint, wrapping it up. Here we is at Universal Studios in Orlando, Florida. We're doing the last part of my daughter's birthday week. Now we finna go network and go see some dogs to end the trip off right. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned to what we got going on. Follow TDK Transport on Instagram. Make sure you follow Top Dollar Kennels _Flint. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. The link is in the bio, man. We going. 2023, we going crazy. We going up.
Come on, man. Come on in here. Come on.
That's hard. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. We ended the day off right, man. My daughter came out here. I treated her something nice and something real slight. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here with the cameraman, seen by light. Ain't nothing funny about this business, man. We making sure that we scratching on surface on everything, taking care of everybody and our family that's close to us, and the people that's putting us in the best possible light to be successful, which is the cameraman. We gonna make sure everybody get taken care of. This is not cheap. It costs a lot to be here. You know what I'm saying? But you gotta pay the cost to be the boss. I just low-key kind of try to, you know, give me a facility like at my crib. I just built, kind of like turned the garage into a facility. Cool. And then Ace like, damn, bro, you got to see Big Wig shit. Like, I'm like, damn, that was nice on camera. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to come and see it in person, bro. You know what I'm saying?
I ain't had it I keep my shit clean. I clean it at the end of the night, man. Just today's been, I haven't been even in that bitch, but when I got back from murder, because I had to go I was trying to go to the show, so I had to go get the Sprinter van.
Yeah. So it's like, is this like a small town, bro? Or like, is it like?
Yeah.
Yeah, my nigga Big Wig. Hey, Top Dollar Kennels Flint right here in Somerville, Florida with my man, Top Dollar Kennels Big Wig, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. He got a lot of production around here, got a lot of dogs. It look nice. This is pure motivation, you know what I'm saying? When I told y'all you meet some of the most wealthiest and great people in dog breeding, you know what I'm saying? This is the proof, you feel what I'm saying? I don't know him, you know, but I'm gonna get to know him, you know what I'm saying? We gonna stay locked in, you know what I'm saying? We creating a bond as we go. And man, this is lovely. This is pure motivation. You know what I'm saying? I heard a lot about him. I heard a lot about him, you know, prior to coming here. You know, so I'm very interested to see what he got and his motion around here. It looks real nice. My man's got a drum set, you know what I'm saying? I'm very versatile with everything I got going on, whether it's dog breeding, music, you know what I'm saying, or sports. You know what I'm saying? My man's is just legit all the way around, you know what I'm saying? He looked like a real character, you know what I'm saying? He got a whole vibe to him when he pull up on the scene, you know what I'm saying? It's lit. Damn near feel like we at a club right now, you know what I'm saying?
Booty boo.
Yeah,
That's 6.5, 7 months. Right?
For real, that's a female? That's dope, bro. You see that female, bro? She kind of look, she look like, this look like a cleaner version of Tootie. A cleaner version of Tootie. And she's, yeah.
That's my boy there.
Who this off of?
Mad Science.
You said Mad Science?
I got one time in the room.
Mad Science is, that's your stud that you pushing?
Yeah. See him right there behind you.
I like this one right here, though.
God. This mine?
Top Dollar Kennels Big Wig got the flavors for that ass, man. He ain't playing no games, man. He ain't playing around. Like I say, it's over 30 dogs in here. He got the overseas drip and the slips, you know what I'm saying? Live and direct. I said, this some nice quality dogs. My man's gonna be on his marketing, but we gonna get him right. Good structure, good quality. I done seen, oh my God.
What is it?
I done seen probably like, you know what I'm saying, 6, 7 dogs that smell real good in here.
Thank
you know what I'm saying? When you want to invest with the best, make sure you invest with somebody who's going to take care of their dogs. You know what I'm saying? And not just going to, you know, sell you whatever. That boy ready to go.
Never been stacked.
Stop.
Never been worked with. Never.
Stop.
None of them.
Stop.
But yeah, you can see he's working. He's willing to work.
Stop.
Hey, buddy. He's really fucking good dog, man.
Stop.
It's bad, right?
Come on.
I think,
You won't.
I mean, you can see he's a beast right
Screenshot
already.
it before you cancel the video. See what they're saying. I want to see that stud. I like that motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie to you. This.
That's a dad right there.
This the daddy to this?
Yeah.
Ace.
Wait till you see this guy go
Ace.
up, boy.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey, come here.
Yeah.
Get him to come over here to win.
Go on, do your thing, man. Do your thing, man. Top Dollar Kennels Big Wig, man. Tap in, man. He got the flavors.
Mad science.
You know what I'm saying? Talking about he got flavors. And if you're in Florida or the surrounding areas,
Luna.
you're looking for a good investment, man, make sure you tap in with Top Dollar Kennels Big Wig. You know what I'm saying? Top Dollar Kennels Big Wig got have emotion. You know what I'm saying? This is just not your normal backyard breeder. You know, he got a lot of things going on. He got a lot of things, you know, in store. You know, make sure y'all follow him. You know, this is the proof is in the pudding. This is the daddy, you know what I'm saying, to this right here. You know, real girthy, real strong, you know, with the bone, strong rear. You know, a lot of these dogs nowadays, you know what I'm saying, they lacking rear, they lacking the structure. You know what I'm saying? But you can't beat this right here with the bone, the dome, and the strong rear. You know what I'm saying? When you got the bone and you got the dome, you can't go wrong. Come here. Come here. Look at that, boy. Look, short muzzle. Maybe like an inch, if that. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Front to back. Solid, girthy. You know what I'm saying? Top Dollar Kennels Big Wig, man. We're gonna keep providing y'all with the best of the best. And we got the production to prove. You know what I'm saying?
Come on. Come on. Hey, come on.
Talking about big body. Big body.
This is his other production.
Definitely. You know it's coming though, for sure. It got the features too. Look, everything he throwing is no tail. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like no tail. That's me personally. I like no tail. Come here.
But that's what a mediocre bitch. You know, I had a grade A bitch with her, but or him, but fucking just to have a mediocre bitch, he still fucking
did his thing.
Fire, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean,
Most definitely.
She got the sass and everything. Look.
Oh, so basically you saying you ran him to a mediocre bitch and produced that?
And still got some
most definitely.
Oh no,
So,
there was 2 out of 3. The other one was a little bigger, but 2 out of 3 were keepers.
Most definitely. When they see it, they're gonna be able to believe in it though. You know what I'm saying? When they see the female.
I kept her. She's a ghost Merle.
Oh, that's lovely. That's lovely. That's lovely. Hey, I like him, bro. That nigga is
I'm
stocky.
telling you, he's throwing his look. He's throwing it.
Yeah, short and compact.
Bro, I've only
You said the other one was like this one right here, 6-7 months.
Yeah, I had 2. You got her down. She gonna want to cough it under my little boy. You want to see her?
Come on, man. You want to get up here? You must be the house dog. I like this right here. This is.
Yeah, no.
It's a male though. Look, I don't know if he having this for sale, but if you're looking for any top-notch dogs, make sure y'all tap in the Top Dollar Kennels Big Wig. Share the live. You feel me? We working. It ain't too late. We in here working these times with these dogs, man. Top Dollar Kennels Flint. We right off the bench with it. It's like you see this right here, and then you look at the production. Like, the proof is in the pudding. You know what I'm saying? Production speaks. Production speaks real neat. You know what I'm saying? And he's steady bringing shit out the back. Get back. Yeah, this nice. This flavorous. You know what I'm saying? Lilac. This look like a blue trindle. Come here. Show me, show me. These some real bulls, man. Y'all playing short alive.
Hey, what you doing, boy? Calm down, calm down.
Muscle on, dog.
You need some water, buddy? You probably need some water. Yeah.
Hey, tap in if you want to know. Tap in TDK. TDK, $5 Kennels Big Wig. Make sure you tap in and follow him. If you want to know anything else about the dog, you know what I'm saying, if you're interested, you know, like I say, he paid $55 for him, so he ain't really taking nothing, no less. He might not even take anything over that, but you know what I'm saying, if you're interested, you know, hit him in the DMs. Oh, wow.
But I like the look, man. I wanted that mean look.
He got puppies. Well, yeah, he just had them puppies that was on the table. And what's the stuffy?
Wow.
The stuffy at 5 racks. Look at that boy. He's hard. 5 racks for the stuffy.
The day that dog was born, right there.
Look at that guy.
Put that bitch right out, cause he cloned himself in second litter. Clone. Dead ass clone. Huh?
I said, damn.
Yeah, I'm like, hell no, I ain't gonna let anybody get lucky, dog.
Yes, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This is nice. This is the next
And that was the second litter. The first, there was a run that died, and he was freaking so small, bro. And then
I like that.
So he's strong, really.
Tap in. So contagious.
I've only had one.
Little chocolate one.
Let's invest together. If I got something you like, tap in. You know what I'm saying? If I ain't got nothing that you like, I'm gonna help you find it.
Than she was.
You know what I'm saying? If
nice.
I can help you find it.
The only reason I didn't keep her is I wanted
What's your IG?
Big Wig Kennels.
Big Wig Kennels. That's his IG. Tap in. Big Wig Kennels.
And then talk those. But I don't hardly get on any of it.
Yeah. But he hardly be on his promotion shit. He had a lot of stuff going on.
Nice.
You know what I'm saying? So you know, we're gonna help him push. You know, make sure we work together as a team, and we're gonna make sure that we get his quality out there, his production out there too as well. That's a Big Wig.
What up?
What you doing with a piccolo over here?
Just playing around, you know.
Come on, man. Come on, man. This is. Hey, I ain't gonna lie.
I gotta get them out. They be fucking it up.
Growing up, we had a piccolo. My older brother, he do music. You know what I'm saying? This piccolo is legendary. This piccolo gonna fill the household up for sure. If you tune it right. I mean, we got that sound like a rock star. You hear me? We got it sound like a rock star.
This guy came about, this is the whole story behind him. He came, all right, so I bought a 2-time Veneno, mom and dad, female, right?
Right, I heard of Veneno.
And she had, you know, her dad was Veneno, and I gotta look at it again, but I believe it's direct mother from Veneno, she does have ATVT. And so then, she came in heat, so I was like, well, shit, can you breed him? Mm-hmm. And they ended up being able to breed with East Polo, so that was a blessing.
Yeah. You got bows.
So the whole deal with that was pup back, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So, you know, they hooked it up, they breeding, and from there she gets here, puppies get here. She only had 3 pups.
Yeah.
Only one survived, bro. So, instead of the pup back, I bought the motherfucker. And
outright.
And I bought her, and then she boom, took her right back. You know, I keep the blood strong with, you know,
right.
When I get bloodline, I try
you
to
be
keep
doubling
it
strong.
up. So, yep, took her to the next best thing, best East Polar Sun. And so then she had 1 pup, bro.
Yeah.
So I do get another run back, so that's dope.
That's gonna be something.
How old is he?
He's basically probably 6.5 months, maybe. I don't know.
Right.
Last time I looked, it was 6 months, and that wasn't even probably about a week or 2.
You just gonna keep doubling up on that blood right there.
Yeah, in the right way. You know, you gotta make sure you can't stop the things you don't want.
Most definitely. And how long you been breeding?
Well, I wouldn't even call it 2 years. I mean, really, I bought my first dog 2 years.
That's what's up, bro. That's what's
And then
up.
I just started buying dogs after that. But.
Yeah. But you on the right path for sure. I'm talking about everything fire in here for sure. I like it. This one didn't do too much moving around. I didn't even know that was sitting over there. Yeah, it got that look, the eye separation and all that.
Yeah, I was waiting for his head to pop.
Right, it's probably one of them type of bloodlines where it just take a little minute to evolve, you know? I see the features though.
Oh, I can see it in all of them. You know I got no way too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I can see all of it in the face. I got a East Polar daughter. I just bred right now to Mad Science.
This right here is a 2 times East Polar bloodline Forbes son at 7 months. Chocolate full tail as well at the top Dollar Kennels Big Wig, you know, facility. Make sure you tap in if you're looking for good dogs around the Florida area. You know what I'm saying? We going east to the west with this shit, man. You know, he got a lot of things going on. The proof is in the pudding. You know, when you got the bone and you got the dome, you can't go wrong. You know what I'm saying? Come lock in for the win. Come invest with the guys, man. Shouldn't be no surprise. That nigga hard. Top Dollar Kennels Flint, right here at the Big Wig facility, man. This is straight motivation. You see it live and direct, man. He got it going on. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even been in there yet, but I already know it's gonna be some big time, you know, sauce in there. He got the best of the best. He got the nice overseas drip. You already seen it. He got the Forbes son. You know, he just doubling up on his blood. You know, that was just a piece to what we finna show you. You know, and this is the real deal right here. Stay tuned. Top Dollar Kennels Flint.
All right, so these ain't even mine right here. The dude I got in my all right, this is the Forbes living room, though. I'm the dude that's staying upstairs now. These are his dogs. So this is my dog.
So you breeding dogs and putting people in position too as well. That's basically what you're saying.
Nah, I did help somebody out. They had needed somewhere to go, man.
That's live, bro. But if it wasn't for you being in position, then you wouldn't even be able to make this happen. You feel what I'm saying? It's live. This is so nice, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you.
So, boom, I got an apartment up there.
This is and this
Forbes
is
Litterman, man. This is Forbes as sister.
for real.
Yeah.
And this is off of the one in there. Is that?
No, this is off of East Polar.
Okay. Right.
Yeah, I got 2 that bite. For sure. I mean, it's a motherfucker right here. Hey, it's Mad Science half sister, right? So she's pregnant with Mad Science.
She look like she gonna produce like at least 6 to 8 puppies.
100K breeding right there.
Yeah.
That's why I paid for her parents.
Yeah. Yeah, that bitch is nice. Real nice. Real girthy female right here. And you said she gonna probably confirm with what now?
She's confirmed, bro. I see it.
Oh yeah, that's definitely. Who'd you run it to?
Mad Science.
Mad Science.
They got the same daddy.
Mad Science.
2 times Star Post, which is off Euro.
That motherfucker swole. She's one of them type of females. She's bred to produce. Yeah. Most definitely. She got body. I like that bitch.
Hey, baby.
Some dope coming straight at your dope, man. Bone. Look at the thick rear. You know what I'm saying?
Full tail.
Full tail as well.
And it's Forbes Littermate, man.
Forbes Littermate, man. We in here working. Ready to drop them puppies.
Oh yeah, that's a big bag litter there.
Real talk.
100K breeding.
What type of like colors you think you expecting out of that?
Man, either like a chocolate, they got the same blood, so.
Most definitely. Most definitely. That bitch looks hard. I like that female, fool. That's nice too.
Oh, yeah.
You know how to cook that shit up, don't you? I said, you know how to cook that shit up, don't you?
Oh, yeah, you know, I'm going to pair everything up right.
Yeah.
I'm trying to still figure out, though, who I'm trying to really pair up with.
Look, you got dogs.
I want in-house, but, you know, sometimes you got to go somewhere else.
You got dogs everywhere.
Oh, yeah. This is the room here where I keep them also.
God
I
damn,
try to keep, yeah, you know.
Look, he pulling them out the back.
So they're having babies. I keep them on the other side. You know, they want to have their peace and quiet because it's fucking hella loud in this bitch. Right there, you know, Charizard.
I like how clean it is in here. You know what I'm saying? The smell is really good. Like, he keep the smell down.
There's exhaust right there. Exhaust that sucks it out. Clean air coming in.
Right. Where the joint at when you like clean the poop and then you just dump it in there and it just, that's crazy. We getting it in, man. Connecting and networking, building the platform one by one. I got my cameraman with me, man. We live. Anytime we pop out with the cameraman, you know it's gonna be a movie, man. Everything is good quality too as well. That nigga got that drip. Overseas drip. This the overseas plug right here. If you need a dog shit, or if you're looking for overseas drip, you know what I'm saying, coming from that way, he already got it. You know what I'm saying? If you're looking to spend a bag, you know, the big bag, he got it.
Oh, this one right here? East Polar daughter.
Yeah. This one right here?
Come here. This brought her, man, hoping to touch, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, so she too be pregnant with Matt Saint. 2-time Chaz, mom and dad.
And so like, if she potentially pregnant, like you just gonna move her out of here and just move her to the next one, right?
Yeah. Actually, I wanted to put her in here, and I had this guy put him in the house for me because I was taking care of something.
Man, this is amazing, bro. You got a whole.
I'm paying him to do this shit, and he ain't doing shit.
For real?
So I'm like, yeah.
Oh, this one right here, feisty as hell.
Right.
This is a female. He got all females in here. But particularly what he do is he breed them, and if he go get them confirmed, he take these females from one room to another. What I noticed about this room and the last room is that it's a different type of AC, different type of humidity.
No, they'll go into the room next door.
The one next door?
No, other door.
Oh, the other one?
Yeah, that's the nursery where the mother is.
Okay, yeah. Okay, the next door. This is actually nursery where the mother be at.
It's the 2-time Veneno right here.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
chocolate motherfucker.
So that's the one I bred with
Come here.
And we're right here. This Spitfire. The one I told you there was 3 puppies and 1 survived.
Who did East Polar?
Right here. Her name's Bare Minimum.
Bare Minimum?
Yeah.
Woo! On some smooth shit.
You brought that to East Polar and got what?
Yeah, I got this 1 puppy right here. I got 3, but 1 survived.
Damn.
Look at it. She just had the one. She had 1 puppy, bro. The little
look just like this one. Hey, did she bite?
Nah, she's a little fun. You good girl.
I like that, huh?
But yeah, the little boy in the house.
Yeah.
That's his mama.
This is mom?
Yeah.
Okay. Damn.
She had 1 pup, bro.
So she really just clean that shit up for real. Yeah. Some gas right there.
Yeah.
That's the bare minimum for your ass.
All right, look, this is off of Bare Minimum. I had a fire litter, bro. Off of Bare Minimum, second litter, because you know I had the 3 chocolates.
Right. So you said bare minimum,
yeah.
off her second litter.
Yeah, second litter.
Produce this?
This is with 1 hitter. Yeah. I got a fucking skunk bag. I got her. I got Betty Boop, which is his best daughter. Betty Boop better than her.
Oh yeah.
Like, she fires fuck, bro.
Yeah. She got that body.
Yeah. Look at the muscle on that, bro.
Most definitely. And she look like she can get active too.
She's already over here.
For real.
Yeah.
Hey, he got a female available right there. He said he ain't breaking nobody pockets. Top Dollar Kennels, Forbes Genetics up here, some nice ass shit. This one nice though. This one nice. Yeah.
Alright, here's a little bunch of them. Oh, I just moved them from the whelping pen into one of these cages. But just weaning them off the moms.
Yeah.
Just hitting them on. So I got 2 litters every 2 days apart. So I kind of got them mixed up, really.
Right.
So right now, this blue girl, she's there's, like I said, there was 3 pups out that litter. It was an inbred. Hit her back to his best daughter. So I doubled up. You know, it was my blue Veneno son. I doubled up with the Veneno back to his daughter. And so that was 1 female off the litter, and then there's 2 males. And the male, there's 1 male is definitely a keeper too. He was actually small.
And that's a nice quality too.
Oh yeah. So then the other, see, this is King Thanos, Veneno blood. This is his daughter, and
That nigga love that Veneno.
yeah.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's that real bull look. So,
Yeah, most definitely.
It's just what
you can't
I
knock it.
originally kind of desired at first, but
Most definitely.
I got a little bit of everything from over there, man.
Nah, I love it, bro. So when it comes to the marketing and the promotion, I ain't even know you had all this though. You been keeping this put up.
What, the pups?
Yeah.
I don't ever post nothing.
Have you so out of this litter right here, do you know what your keeper is?
There's 2 different litters right there. There's all right, so there's 1 boy. I'm getting rid of this one, that blood mill.
Yeah.
This is built too, so I'm keeping it.
Yeah.
This is my inbred
Stout motherfucker.
2-time hitter litter. That bitch is gonna be her.
Hidden.
Yeah, but this bitch so small right here, I gotta keep that.
Yeah, you got to. You got to.
Oh,
full tail too.
Yeah, all of them. Oh, that one because I ain't keeping no miles unless they fucking next level, bro. And I ain't gonna keep it black in the brindle.
That nigga got that work.
So then, so he's off the inbred litter, and then the other 2 are still off this litter with her.
Right.
So they all everything looking good though.
Everything looking
Now
good.
this is the one slow from her litter. And I was trying to say that he's got what they call flat chest, right?
Yeah.
So you gotta correct it as a puppy. And of course he got the swimmer, so I put that shit on too. You gotta fucking kind of make it where it's tighter, you know what I mean? Where it forms the chest the way it's supposed to be.
Right. I like that walk, that structure on it.
So he's tiny, man. So
Once it fill out, it's gonna get right. I'm already knowing. You just gotta trust the process. Damn, you got the pictures and all in the
yeah, that's for the
stars.
breeding. That's the old litter though. That's my first time I bred her. I ain't really updated nothing.
That's smart, fool.
Yeah.
I like that. I like that little female though, that black motherfucker. That nigga Wig got the dogs everywhere.
Yeah, I'll say the rest of this shit, man.
Yeah.
You already got all that, I got tons of oxygens. I got tons of incubators.
Yeah, incubators, yeah.
Clean everything. So.
How often do you wash the towels throughout the week? What is this, towels in the beds?
Every day.
Every day? That's dope.
Everything stays up all right, man. I've been tied up today, man.
Most definitely. So any time, like other than like the insulation that you got, in the room or whatever like that, I know that kind of like helps keeps the smell out. But like, what do you use as far as like keeping the floor clean? Do do you put your faith in the Tide, the Fabuloso?
Bleach and Fabuloso, bleach.
Most definitely.
Bleaching every load of fucking towels, everything. Bro.
That's dope.
Everything gets clean.
That's dope.
I pressure wash this top every night. Everything gets clean. It's like a checklist pretty much, man.
That's what's up.
It fucking irritates me, bro.
I'm already knowing. Easy, right.
Hey, what did you say you learned that you gotta what?
You gotta learn to be clean, man. You cannot bullshit with that. Your dogs will get sick and
Hey, he said you gotta learn to be clean. You know what I'm saying? Your dog can't be sick, because they can get sick very easy. Hey, I want bro to explain to us what he got right here. I heard this is very beneficial right here.
Well, this actually was my idea. Nobody because I don't even.
He made this up.
I don't look at nobody's shit, so
yeah.
I fucking came up with this shit. And most people don't know what a big wig is.
Yeah.
Explain what big wig shit. Big wig is not like a nickname or not my nickname Wig, but
right.
I use my name to spin off terms like Wig splitters, the barbershop.
Right.
Big wig is actually a term of, you know.
Worldwide, it's global.
Well, big wig is like your bigger ups, you know, your elite. So
Right.
that's just, you know, a good name to use. So yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So you said you created this and nobody's ever done this before. You just thought about this and then it just worked out.
Yeah, because I've been spraying shit, you know, for
Yeah.
so long, needing to get rid of it somewhere. So like, I built my own septic tank attached to it.
Yeah.
Got a drain field next to that.
Mm-hmm.
And I got friends that do septic, so whenever it needs dumped, like I mean, it'll take at least years to fill that tank up. I got big.
That's dope. So it's like is it like a button around here that you push when you put it in there, or you just put it in there?
Spray that bitch with a fucking water hose first, because you just spray shit in your face. You ain't, and
Yeah.
then you hit it with a pressure washer.
That's crazy.
And that bitch go right. You know what I mean?
That's crazy. And all the drains is attached to one drain, or does it
This one's separate. Back when I did that one, I fucking did it after, so that's why you see the pipes and shit. But that's for the upstairs apartment.
That's dope.
As soon as I load that motherfucking trash can out, I take them out here and spray that shit off.
She looked like she took for real.
Oh, she took.
Yeah, I like that wig. Hey, we ain't gonna take up too much of your time, bro. Kennels Flint checking out with Big Wig, man. We pulled up, we seen some nice dogs. He showed us around. You know what I'm saying? We got an overall vision of what it takes for him to build this brand and the type of blood that he believing in. I want to give a special shout out for him letting us come by, get some footage, you know what I'm saying, network, and, you know, help promote, you know what I'm saying, my business. And it's going to be more in the future. Top Dollar Kennels Flint. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube, Top Dollar Kennels Flint 1974. And follow me, TDK Transport. It's a whole lot of dog shit going on, man. Tap in. Yes, sir. My nigga Wig lit.
You already know. Check me out, man. I don't talk much, so. But yeah, I'm busy as hell, but I'll get to you, bro. Y'all hit me up. You know what I got.
Hey, that motherfucker hit
All right.
37. Top Dollar Kennels Flint here in Orlando, Florida, signing out, checking out, man. We came here, we got everything done that we need to get done, connected with the best breeders, and also handle the business on the side. Make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel, Top Dollar Kennels Flint 1974. Subscribe, like, comment. You know, it's gonna be a whole lot of content dropping back to back to back. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Top Dollar Kennels, new year, new me. We out. That's perfect, boy.